Linux is a free open-source operating system that has shaped the digital world as we know it. Built on the principles of Unix, Linux uses the Linux kernel at its core, acting as the engine that manages hardware, processes, and system resources. Unlike Windows or Mac OS, Linux isn't a single product. Instead, it comes in various forms called distributions, or distros, each tailored for different purposes. Popular options include Ubuntu for beginners, Fedora for cutting-edge tech, and Arch Linux for those who want complete control. There's even lightweight distros like Puppy Linux for older hardware. Linux is all about freedom and customization. You're not locked into one way of doing things. You can choose your desktop environment, like GNOME, KDE Plasma, or XFCE, to shape how your system looks and feels. Want a minimalist setup? Done. Prefer a flashy interface? No problem. But Linux isn't just for those who love visual tweaks. Power users can configure almost every aspect of the system, from bootloaders to system processes, making it perfect for both casual users and advanced developers. Here's a fact. Linux is everywhere. Over 90% of servers, including those powering the internet, run Linux. It's the foundation for supercomputers, handling immense calculations for scientific research. It's inside IoT devices, running smart appliances, and even forms the base of Android, the most popular mobile operating system in the world. Linux dominates the cloud. Platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure rely on it to deliver scalable, secure, and reliable services. Without Linux, modern computing as we know it wouldn't exist. One reason for Linux's popularity is its security. Unlike proprietary systems, Linux's open-source nature allows thousands of developers worldwide to constantly review, test, and improve its code. Bugs and vulnerabilities are often spotted and fixed faster than in closed systems. And privacy? With Linux, there's no hidden tracking, no forced updates, and no ads. You're in control of your system. That's why it's loved by privacy enthusiasts and security experts alike. So, who uses Linux? Everyone. From casual users trying a new desktop experience, to developers coding in a powerful environment, to enterprises running mission-critical applications. It's a favorite among programmers, ethical hackers, gamers using tools like Proton and Steam, and anyone who values freedom in computing. Getting started with Linux is easier than ever. Distributions like Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and Zorin OS are beginner-friendly and come with software pre-installed. You can try Linux without installing it by running a live USB session or even dual boot it alongside your current OS. In 180 seconds, we've only scratched the surface of what Linux can do. It's a system built on freedom, collaboration, and endless possibilities. Whether you want to try something new, repurpose old hardware, or explore a career in tech, Linux is free, powerful, and waiting for you. So why not take the leap? Download a distro and start your Linux journey today.